Has a nice little exhaust sound, downshift. So I'm bringing you guys a night vlog for the first time. I'm actually hosting a small little pop-up meet here in Pleasant Hill at Milk Tea Lab, and I'm very curious to see how many people show up. I'm here with my friend Rudy. We're gonna go get some boba, chill, talk cars. So yeah, it should be a pretty cool night. Let's see how it turns out. Hopefully we don't get in any trouble with the law. Check out the blah by. Out here my friend Rudy's filling up. These NT03s. Man, I'm telling you, they look so sick on this car. Damn, look how low it is. I wonder if there's gonna be anybody else that shows up. What do you think?
Maybe.
Maybe, right?
Yeah.
Oh, hell no!
It's that Tome.
What?
Bro, his pipe is damn near hitting the ground. Oh, okay.
What?
To the camera, cause I got it. I think it might be louder than my car. I really think so, bro. What do you think? It's loud.
I know.
Catless?
Hey, you.
Yeah.
Is that stock headers? Or? Huh? Is that stock headers?
Yeah, I just switched them. I was on aftermarket headers, but I switched them because it's too loud.
Really?
Yeah.
Crazy.
And this, bro.
So what about when you're cruising?
What were headers? What kind of headers?
DC Sport. They weren't very good. They came with the car though. I didn't do
really?
it. Yeah. Here,
Wait, what year is this?
06.
06?
You pull it up to the light more so we can see it better. Oh,
hey,
damn. You got that Vertex steering wheel?
Hell yeah, dude.
Sick. JDM all the way.
Hit me up for parts.
Hell yeah, man.
He said hit me up for parts.
You got crazy.
I'm serious.
I like
Yeah?
this guy.
Alright, you're good. You're legit.
He said you're legit. Verified.
You got the EddieNuffSaid stamp of approval.
Yeah? Serious, anything. Authentic wheels, whatever
Yeah?
you need, hit me up.
Is that right?
Bags, whatever, dude.
Yeah, bro, I'm trying to get some.
Do you work for a shop or is it just by yourself
Yeah,
or how's that? How's it
Inspire.
going? So what made you want to go with the Z route and not the Subi route?
To be honest with you, I wanted FRS first.
Okay.
And I thought I couldn't afford it, so I bought a Z and then
you did it, bro.
yeah, me too. And then I bought a Z and actually like 2 months later I was like, I'm gonna get an FRS. So I went to the dealership, test drove, and I was like, let me get on it. Downshifted, didn't go anywhere at all. I was like, okay.
Is that FRS?
Yeah. So it was a BRZ, but I was like, nope, not gonna switch. So then I just said, you know what, I'm stuck with it, let's mod it and do what I want.
What was that?
What's up, Eddie?
What's up, bro?
Long time no see.
Long time no see. How you doing, man?
Good, bro.
What's up, bro?
Oh shit.
Good, man. Good to see you
You said
too.
you brought the STI out?
Yeah, it's over there if you want to go check it out.
There you go. I gotta go. I'll go look at it a little bit.
All right, bro.
Alright. Here, guys.
Go, bro.
You got Jasmine? Here's Jasmine. This is mine. Yeah.
First time trying boba?
No.
No, I was about to say, no way.
All right then, brother. Are there really Subis right there?
Yeah, there was 2 when I fucking came in.
What the hell? I didn't think anybody was gonna show up. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a Subi there too. What's up, bro?
Hey, how's it going,
How you doing, man? Eddie,
up,
nice
dude?
to meet you, bro.
Hey, yeah, same
Damn, that thing's looking sick.
Need paint, though.
Nah, it looks good, bro.
Yeah.
This is the one I saw over there on Pittsburgh, right?
That's what it is, yeah.
Nice, bro. Hey, did you know that was me when I was driving or no?
No, not really. I just, wow. you know, the law right now, it's kind of crazy. Everybody's trying to get pictures of your videos.
Yeah.
And then, you know, it's like a proof.
And then I posted and you were like, no way, that's me. You're like,
Yeah.
oh, damn.
I focused on the motor first.
Uh-huh.
It took me like
Smart.
a year. Yeah,
Smart,
it took me
yeah.
a year to get it.
Prioritize your car,
Yeah,
essentially,
yeah.
right? So do you wanna tell them your setup that you have?
Yeah, it's a Tomei.
Okay.
Everything is Tomei. The block is stock.
Okay, stock internals.
2.0,
Stock
2.0
Nice.
X, yeah. And I have headers Tomei, Alpine Tomei. Turbo is M1824. You got injectors, 1000 DW. I got a fuel pump. It's 330 DW too. A downpipe, HKS, exhaust gun.
Damn, you got all the legit on your car.
Yeah.
You wanna lift up the hood?
For the T place because my daughter wanted T too. That's why I.
Oh, okay. It's all the way over there.
I know.
Towards like the car.
6266. What's your name?
Abel.
Rudy, nice to meet you.
I got it called downpipe
HKS
with
blow-up?
Wi-Fi.
He has a Tomei Arms turbo.
Yeah.
Tomei arms.
Mishimoto coolant expansion tank.
right?
The Mishimoto, the radiator hoses.
Got the fans too, Mishimoto.
Oh shoot! You got the radiator
Yeah.
from Intercooler, the HKS blow-off valve. Injectors. What size are they?
DW 1000.
Okay, 1,000. Nice.
You got the oil cooler Mishimoto.
Mishimoto oil cooler. Do
There.
you have the Gates timing kit?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. That's the one I'm rocking too.
Front and rear, the rear too.
You said front and rear?
This is quality, bro. Quality build. I like it. There's not many cars out there that put quality parts in the engine like
yeah,
you.
but yours number one right now,
Nah, don't say that.
It's number one. Man, when I see it in person, wow, everything is crazy.
I can show it to you, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. That's so sick. What a small world, right? I saw you randomly at
dude,
Pittsburgh,
yeah.
and then now you're here.
Yeah. What happened with your mirrors? You changed it, right?
Yeah, I was like, you know what? Like, you know, I love those mirrors, but I was like, I just need the money to invest in my business.
Oh, shit.
So I might get them back though. I might get them back. So had to do it for a business move, unfortunately.
Oh, man. Man, it doesn't rub at all?
Honestly, no. It doesn't ever rub.
I like it from the lip, man.
Thanks, bro.
Damn, dude. It's clean.
Thanks, bro.
That's
So-
the E85, right?
Yeah, that's the
E80,
Cobb Flex
yeah.
Fuel. And so pretty much with this setup, I have the 20G turbo by Cobb, stock block, stock internals.
Yeah?
So the entire fuel system has been upgraded. Intercooler, right? TGV deletes, equal-link headers, downpipe catalyst, Tomei. Everything's been upgraded except for the internals of the car.
Yeah.
Same thing as
yeah.
your car.
Just waiting
Yeah,
to blow out, huh?
yeah, just on the block. Hopefully it doesn't blow up anytime soon, but yeah, everything.
These are from Japan too? JDN too?
No, those are the
You
OEM
made it?
headlights, but I just baked them.
Oh, okay.
It was raining one day. I was like, you know what? I hate those orange reflectors. I'm gonna remove them. I'm gonna bake them. I was playing Resident Evil, and then I was freaking going back to the headlights, going back and forth. It's been almost 5 years with this car.
The paint is crazy.
Yeah, man.
I like it. I really like it.
Thanks, bro.
This is STI, right?
Yeah.
Interior is sick, dude.
Thanks, bro.
I
You-
saw
take a look at it, bro.
You made
Here, open it.
You made your the doors, right?
Yeah. So the door cards with the bride material, the real bride material from Japan, matches the seats or the little pads, and then in the rear, you want to open up the door. Same thing again.
Wow.
The door cards in the back. Now they're professionally stitched in bride. I had them done in the local shop on Monument con los mexicanos.
Yeah. People, man.
And then that's from Lawn Sport Japan. So the main theme of this car, I just tried my best to keep it JDM. If I can, then I'll add an American part to it, but the theme of this car is mostly JDM.
Yeah,
Everything from the body kit
I can
to the
tell.
wheels to the engine bay, ARC, Volk Racing, Bride, Eiffel Japan, Prova, a lot of Japanese companies, Charge Speed, you know, the list goes on and on.
Damn, it's clean, man. I like the seats too.
I can sit down and bro, you want to see what it feels like?
I think I'm not gonna fit it.
A lot of people don't, man.
Oh yeah, I don't fit. Oh man.
What size are you in waist?
34.
34?
Yeah.
Okay, they do make for waist 36 or 38, but these are for size 32, 33.
I like this one. I ordered it already.
Yeah, the JDM hazard
Yeah.
button. Nice. Here, you can turn it on, bro. I have for the engine mounts, I have the Beat Rush engine mounts with the tranny, the pitch stop mount too. Yeah, turn on. You good?
Do you change the? No.
You want to give it a nice little rev if you want? What do you think? Right? Tomei all the way, catless. Tomei catless downpipe with the Tomei Extreme exhaust.
I need to get one of those.
It's loud. Hopefully I don't get in trouble though.
No, dude. Every time that I drive in the street and the people take the camera off.
He's like, I'm out of here. What's up, guys? How's it going? Nice to see you, bro. Nice to see you, man. How you doing? How's the Subi?
How are you? It's good.
Yeah? You got the wheels coming in?
Like 10 months.
10. Oh, damn. That's a JDM weight, though.
What specs are you running?
For the wheels?
9.5.
Yeah, 18 by 9.5 plus a 22 offset. -3 camber. Negative camber all the way.
How much shift you roll?
Well, all fenders were rolled. So when I bought the car, the rear were rolled, but the front weren't. So I had them done professionally at a guy in San Jose. So yeah, no, it doesn't rub, dude. It's perfect.
And you're running 255?
255. I actually need to get new tires though. It's running out because of the negative camber.
Yeah.
It's been like 3 years with these.
I got plus 45. 8,
Nice.
9.5. Because
Nice.
he told me that plus 25 they had, or plus 25, he said I'd have to run like -4 camber.
Parker, so you want to tell him your setup real quick?
It's SRT4 Neon.
Okay.
2.4 cylinder, fully built, forged internals. I'm running 20 over JE pistons, Eagle rods, STK ported exhaust and intake manifold, MPX hood struts. Got to have that. AM intake, TD04 just stock turbo with a big wheel, AGP adjustable wastegate. Other than that, that's about it.
Hell yeah, dude. No, I think sick, bro.
Stock head,
And
like-
tell him who does the work.
Everything myself.
In-house.
man.
In-house.
In-house.
Me and the homies.
In-house, bro. You want to give him a nice little exhaust clip?
Yes.
Hey, bro, are you on the 85 right now? Oh. Hey, look at these tail lights. Alright, there he goes. Law by, bro. Hey, bro, we're about to get shot up right now. It's a movie, right? Fast and Furious.
We're gonna get shot.
Oh, they pull out the Uzi.
Pull out the Uzi.
Start shooting the Subi. Damn. Hey.
Your car was fucking stuck, dude. Back when Quickly meets.
Yeah, back in the Quickly meets, bro.
That's gnarly. Looks good, bro.
Thanks, man.
Come
How's the
a long
Subi
way.
treating you?
It's back on the road.
Okay, nice.
And I just don't know what to drive, the BRZ or the WRX more.
Subi, the WRX.
Dude, I know, I have been.
Yeah.
I'm not even changing the exhaust. I don't care at this point. I was like, you're not scared? I was like, no. I was like, I will drive my NVIDIA all day long.
Hey, gotta hear that Subi rumble, right?
I have to. You're equal like now, though, right?
Yeah.
How's that?
It's been good.
What'd you put power to? Power-wise?
Okay.
I was gonna sell my WRX.
Oh, yeah?
Nah, I'm keeping it.
Nah, keep it, bro.
Keeping it. I've had it since 2009.
Isn't that when it came out?
Yeah, I bought mine brand new. It's come such a long way. I'm
Yeah.
happy for you, dude.
I've been owning it since like, I don't know, when I first bought, when I first bought the
I
car, right?
remember you took me right when you first bought it.
Yeah, when I first bought it, right at the
You
Quick.
started like, I remember you asked me all the questions that quickly. And you slowly started buying parts.
Yeah.
Way, dude.
I remember that, bro.
One day.
All stock. Fucking intake manifold was all fading away.
Dude, that's like
pipe-
the first thing that fades.
Yeah.
Mine's plastic, so it's like, at least yours is metal. Mine's plastic. I can't
What's
do anything.
next? I think, I don't know, there's really not much I can do anymore. Everything has been touched. Besides like building the block.
Got the green feed intercooler, turbostar, bypass. I had that same bypass valve for
It is 2 ways. Tommy.
Hey, okay.
There's some cheap wheels on it for right now.
It's all good.
All right, so